This is probably one of the most important gadgets which I have, my mobile phone. But there's another gadget out there, well, something which doesn't even have to be a gadget, something we all have, something which affects our daily lives. Welcome to a product I'm extremely excited to share with you. You see, I love watches, I love horology, I love the styles, whether they fit in with lifestyle, fashion, fitness. But what about one that does it all? What about this? Hello and welcome to an unboxing of the Huawei Watch GT4. Now, before I bring you any further details, it's already out the box. In fact, I've had it on my wrist for a month now. I've trained with it, indoor, outdoor. I've used it to go to meetings, daily life, schedule, really lived with it as a companion. So now let's see quickly what comes inside the box, then move on to taking a look at the watch itself and what it's been like to live with. First thing is, you're greeted with a very neat looking premium box. There you're displayed with the watch with its pentagonal design, the green and white GMT, as well as the green band, which I have on my current spec. It says Watch GT4, and there's a couple of regulatory specs around the rest of the box. Nothing too much in terms of packaging, other than that it's neat and looks premium. The watch is housed on the top, and in here you get a quick instructional guide, as well as your sync charge station. That's about it. But getting the box to the side, let's take a look around the watch itself. It's absolutely gorgeous in the hand. As I mentioned, it takes some of its inspiration perhaps or styling from some of the grand masters in horology. I love this pentagonal design around the actual case. I love the way everything's crafted in this very, very impressive and high-grade aluminum, and that the band is made of a sustainable material. I love the way they've also matched the green on the GMT to the band. There's a lot of clever little details, touches, which make this a premium product. The crown, for example, is positioned higher up so it doesn't get in the way. It's got the Huawei branding, and it's particularly comfortable. The rubber style band is also easy to swap thanks to these quick swappable little applications here with any other 20mm band, as well as the fact that it's rubber makes it incredibly durable. Then when you jump into the menu itself, you can see it's a bright, vivid and easy to use display here. You've got the likes of pulse oximeter, heart rate monitoring, accurate GPS which picks you up running, which I've tested, or cycling between the buildings, areas that's hard to reach. You can use Petal maps on here. You've got the likes of sport, indoor and outdoor, be it outdoor running, cycling for instance, or in the gym, the likes of swimming, cycling, you name it. The selection is endless.